Hey everybody, Brooks from Drag Times here. I'm here in Aston Martin, Palm Beach, and we are taking a look at the new Valhalla. Considering buying this car is a V8 twin turbo hybrid, making just shy of 1,000 horsepower. Pretty outrageous car, I gotta say. The color is Verdant Jade. It actually changes colors depending on the kind of angle that you're looking at. Pretty outrageous. Now this is all-wheel drive. We got about 200 horsepower powering the front wheels. The V8 twin turbo in the back makes about 800 horsepower. Now this is just a static model, so it actually doesn't run. I wish we could start it up to hear it, but it's got an active aero ring in the back right here. Really wicked taillights in the back. I mean, the spec is just pretty incredible. You can see straight through the diffuser right here. To order this car, they want $200,000 down now, and then 6 months before they build it, another $200,000 on the spec. Total price comes in around $900,000, and it makes 1,000 horsepower. Seats are kind of molded into the carbon tub, and it's kind of like the Ford GT where the pedals are going to move like this and the steering will move to kind of meet you back in the seat. But let's hop in and take a look at it real quick. Got inside here. It's got a really cool interior. This is going to be a flip screen that actually flips up right here for some of the infotainment. And of course you got these nice kind of green accents that matches the rest of the car right here. And it's got some storage in the back, some Alcantara here. Storage is non-existent, except there's little tubs kind of in the back right there to basically hold your helmets if you were taking this down the track. Obviously this is a non-functional model, but kind of a nice steering wheel with a little display in front here. There's actually no rear window in the car whatsoever, so completely solid right here. What they do is they put a camera on the back of the car, and this will come up on the rear view mirror here. That is nice to have, because when I was driving the Speedtail the other day, it was difficult to see out the back, and they actually have no side view mirrors either, and these had little monitors here. So I'm glad that there's actually some side mirrors. I know the future is probably just using cameras, but for now I definitely feel more comfortable using side view mirrors. And then looking through the back, I mean, a lot of companies have done this. Some of the new GMs and stuff will have rear view camera monitors. Now these are dihedral doors on the top here, because you can't see out the back. It's got a pretty cool roof scoop, which is going to bring in the air into there. Nothing actually opens right here to surface or whatsoever. Hand built. Along the front here, you can see kind of the front, some of the aero bits. Interesting enough, you can actually see the front tire coming through the front bonnet right here. I imagine they would want to put some kind of grill on that. Otherwise, you imagine rocks would be flying straight up into the windshield. Gotta say, super impressive. This car is just wicked in person to view, especially in this color. And then you can see some of the aero bits kind of coming through the side here. You can see the front tire coming in, some intakes on the side there as well. What do you guys think? Is this the next addition to the Drag Times channel? I'm thinking it could definitely be my first Aston Martin here. In the back here, I'm told this is definitely an active aero system, so you kind of got a gurney flap here and an air active that comes in here. This wing is also supposed to come up as an air brake and add additional downforce to the back at high speeds. All right, so that's a wrap of checking out the Aston Martin Vahalla. Love the color, love the spec. About $900,000, 1,000 horsepower, all-wheel drive, hybrid, 200 horsepower on the front wheels, 800 horsepower in the back from the V8 twin turbo. We got the roof scoop, the snorkel, the dihedral doors. Interior is really cool, really minimalistic and kind of futuristic at the same time. Definitely a fan of this car. There's about 100 allocations left, I believe, in the US. And I know my cousin already ordered one, so maybe we need 2 in the family. Let me know in the comments what you think. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, helps the video on the channel, and we'll see you next video.